Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today is a beautiful spring day and my seedlings are doing great outside. And we just finished filling up the garden beds with some new topsoil and mushroom manure. So since they are doing so well, I'm going to start transplanting them in the garden today. So I've got my garden plan and how I want to get things planted out there. What I need to do is grab my garden cart and start carting out the seedlings to the garden area so I can start getting those planted where they need to go. So let's go ahead and do that. So here are all of my seedlings. Everything is nice and green and just ready to be planted in the garden. I am so excited. So we're just gonna start loading up trays onto the garden cart there and haul them on back to the garden. Let's go. So we are back in the garden and I have 3 trays of various vining plants that I'm gonna start with because they are getting really big really fast, and so I don't want them to get all tangled and attached to each other and then I have to break them, and well, that's still no fun, so let's not do that. So all of my garden boxes have a number on them which matches up to the plan I have planned out. And we're just going to take it one variety of plant at a time and get them up on the trellises where they're supposed to be. So, yeah, we'll just see what's in the tray and we'll find it on my garden map and get it planted today. So my first tray is zucchini, cantaloupe, and cucumbers. And I think those are in couple different places. So cantaloupes are in bed 3, cucumbers in bed 5, and zucchini aren't a viner, so I'll have to find a spot inside one of the beds to plant it. But let's start with the cantaloupes in bed 3. think that is about all I have time for today. The rain is coming in pretty quickly and I want to get cleaned up before I get rained on. But let me show you real quick what we got done today. All right, so we got cantaloupe over here in bed 3, watermelon in 2. This one is spaghetti squash.
Where are the green
and
beans?
Cucumbers.
Where are the green beans?
And then over here in bed 9, I've got acorn squash, yellow summer crookneck squash, some honeydew, and some white baby boo pumpkins. I still have quite a bit to plant yet this season. I still have pepper starts and tomatoes and lots of seeds that I need to get into the ground. But for tonight, I think that wraps things up because it's starting to rain and I want to get cleaned up. So, alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.